with the GoPro. Alright, what's up? Furious FPV. This is Fosad FPV checking in. I'm going to be doing this demonstration video for you guys so you can see what's going on here. Right now everything is all connected and set up. I've got my Fat Shark HD3 goggles off to the side. I need that to hold the wire. So in your email you said to remove the white wire, then power the drone up and hold the button for 3 to 4 seconds. Then the VTX goes on. You want me to record this so you can see what happens. And you want to see me search with the goggles, okay? Because I use your diversity module on the Fat Shark HD3s. So right now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this white wire here, like you told me to do. There you go. White wire is removed. Now I will put battery on the Fat Sharks. Here's my Fat Sharks, guys, with my Furious FPV diversity module, the immersion RC and Black Sheep FPV antennas. Oh, and this is for you guys too, Furious FPV, because I'm live streaming this as I do this. And I'm gonna plug my goggles in. I'm gonna plug the drone in. Okay, now you guys want me to hold this button for 3 to 4 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, it started blinking this purple color there. Now, okay, I'm going to turn on the diversity module and the goggles and try to prop it up here so that everyone can see what's going on. Can you check to see if Instagram can see?
Yep.
Can Instagram see?
The type, like the screen
Yep,
here?
yep.
If you hold it up a little more, yeah, there you go.
Okay, so now I've got the diversity module powered on the Fat Shark HD3 goggles, and I've got the drone powered on, and I held the button on the VTX for 3 seconds, and now I'm going to do smart search.
Yeah, you got it.
Okay, it says it cannot find a signal. Do you want? I'll do it one more time for you, just so you can see. You know, maybe when you're watching this, you can pause it. It says, "I can't find channel. I can't find the channel. No." Well, that's how I felt anyway. So if you want to look through the goggles, I'll take the off the. Okay, look through the goggles. Okay, nada. And for Instagram, you see nothing in the goggles. Okay, so as you can see, I'm now going to power off the goggles and unplug them because they didn't work, and I'm going to unplug the drone, and I'm going to ask you guys, now what do you want me to do? Do you want me to do something like put the white wire back onto the flight controller and then plug it in and see if it made any difference? Because you didn't say that in the email, so I didn't do it. Okay, so let me know what you think I should do next. I appreciate your email this morning, and I really hope to get this thing in the air soon because it flies really well. And you can go to my Instagram at Fosad FPV, and you can see videos of me flying it line of sight. So there's definitely nothing wrong with any of the other components as far as I know. It's just I'm not getting visuals in my goggles from the VTX. And to be honest, I was using your Stealth Race X VTX with the Bluetooth before in my previous drone that I crashed, and the antenna is starting to like actually break, I think, over here, and it's not a snap-in like this one is. Otherwise I would just unsnap this antenna or use the other antenna you guys sent me and plug it into my old Stealth Race VTX Bluetooth, and I'd stick that sucker in here because it worked great when the antenna wasn't all chopped up. So that's about all I have for you guys today. I appreciate all your help. I hope this helps somebody out there in Instagram and maybe even Facebook land. And I hope that Furious FPV gets back to me with a solution soon that I will share with you all. Thanks for joining me for this special 420 with FOSAD FPV. Woo!